Sat Shri Akal. Today we are going to talk about a new press release that was announced on 24th August, that is today, just few seconds before. We are going to share this news. Anyone who is in Canada has a valid permit. So we were requesting every individual from last few months that please don't go out of status. This is the result of that. If you still have a valid status, this is really good news for people who are visitors or people who are on visitor record or any temporary permits. So we are going to make an announcement today. This announcement just came out few minutes ago by the immigration minister. Thanks to him. So I'm going to share this screen with you and let's see what the announcement is. So there are few changes. The change intended to benefit employers who are still facing difficulties finding workers. So as per the Government of Canada, visitors who are currently in Canada and have a valid job offer will be able to apply for employer-specific work permit and if approved, receive the permit without having to leave country thanks to the new public policy. So this is a really good news for people who have a visitor status in Canada and have an employer who is willing to give them a job. If they can apply for LMI for them, this is a good news. You can get a work permit while staying in Canada. You don't need to go to the border or leave the country. You can stay in Canada and get a valid work permit. So to be eligible, these are few eligibility criteria. You need to have a valid status. So this is what we were asking you to do from last few months, that please don't go out of status. So the first condition is that you need to have a valid status in Canada as a visitor on 24th August 2020, that is today, and remain in Canada. The second thing is you need to have a job offer. The third is that you need to submit an application for an employer-specific work permit that is supported by LMIA or LMI exempt offer of employment. So who are the people who are exempted for LMI? Those are, the example could be a caregiver. So if you are in Canada, you don't need a LMI for caregiver, contact us. We can help you with LMI, with caregiver programs. And this caregiver program will lead towards permanent residency. So this is going to lead towards permanent residency. And there are many others which are exempted from LMI. So if you have an employer who's willing to support you with LMI, good luck. We are always there to help you. This is a really good thing to do. The second is, if you are working, if you can work for someone, that job is exempted from LMI. That will be a really good thing to do. The last thing is meet all standard admissibility criteria. So admissibility criteria can be on criminality, medicals, financial. There are few reasons. So if you don't have a criminal background or if you are medically fit, you don't need to worry much about the admissibility criteria. This temporary public policy also provides the opportunities for applicants who meet these criteria and who had a valid work permit in last 12 months to begin working for their new employers before their work permit application has been fully approved. So this is good for them too. The people who are trying, who had a valid work permit in last 12 months. So if you have a valid work permit from last 12 months, this is a good, good announcement. So I would say this is a really nice announcement. So if we see from last a week or two, there have been few good announcements. So this is one good announcement. The second good announcement was regarding refugees who have been working into healthcare industry, providing healthcare services during the pandemic time. So Canadian government in exchange thanked them for their services and offered them permanent residency. So these are really good announcements. If you have a valid status in Canada, feel free to contact us. You can book consultation through our website, bramptonconsultancy.com. Our team, who has licensed immigration consultants, are always there to help you just go on our website, bramptonconsultancy.com, and book your consultation. Not only that, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and also follow us on social media platforms so that you can get latest updates as you are receiving it now.